Hi, this is Drew Loker, and today we're going to be replacing a light switch with a smart switch. Breaker 3. I verified the light switch is off. I'm using a non-contact voltage detector. Consult an electrician. Make sure you wear proper gloves and eyewear. With the breaker back on, I'm detecting which one is the line from the breaker and the load to the light. Then I followed the directions to connect the switch leads. And the lights came on, and we're ready to configure in the Smart Life app.